To get started, first, press on the extension. We have many different functions in this extension. We will use extract reviews. As you can see, we extracted the reviews in this list. To extract more, press Add to Export List. Then, go to the next page. Then press Add to Export List again. Do this as many times as you like. Alternatively, you can use the auto function, which will auto-navigate the pages for you and add the data to the list. Once you're done, press Stop. Now, to export this, press Export Data. You can export it in many different ways. I will export it as HTML. After exporting, here's all the data we extracted. Let's try one more function. Let's say we want to extract this seller products. To do this, press on the extension. Then press Extract Seller Products. As you can see, we extracted the products of the seller. To extract more, simply scroll down. Then press Add to Export List and navigate to the next page. Then press Add to Export List again. Again, do this as many times as you like. You can also use the auto function if you want. Now, again, once you're done, press Export Data and just export it. After exporting, here's all the data we extracted.